Hey, you can't find any good voice changers? Or you found some but they're not in good quality and maybe they're not free? Stop searching. Clownfish is the best free voice changer. And in this video I will show you how to download it and how to use it. So first let me show you how to download it. Search in Google clownfish, clownfish, like this, and it appears, the official site, it appears on the rank results on the topest list, and when you click it, it appears the official site, right? In information you can see what the program affords you, which voice effect affords you, like alien, clone, fast mutation, male pitch, and others. So we want to download it. That's why we click on download, and here's 3 options to download it. Which one to use? So to understand which one to use, first you should check your operation system. Is it 64-bit or 32-bit system? But from where? Just right click here on the start menu like this, and then click on system. When you click it, it appears, just search for the information, this information, system type, and as you can see, my operation system is 64-bit operation system, 64-bit processor. So that is mean I should download this one, but I already did it because I don't want to waste your time with downloading and some things like this. So here's the program clownfish here, and when you double click it, it appears this window, and then set voice changer. Or we can find it from here, from this arrow here. When you click it, just right click the program and then set voice changer, and when you click on set voice changer, it appears this window, and here comes the magic. So what we can do now here, we can put some voice effects like
mutation, like fast mutation right now,
or
slow mutation,
radio, or robot. You can choose all of them. It's free, don't worry about it. And the cool thing is you can customize them from this button here.
Like this. I'm speaking higher. I don't know if you understand me.
And I'm speaking deeper.
And if you want to clear the effect, just click here, clear effects,
and when I click it, now I'm speaking normally.
And that is all. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and see you in the next video. Bye.